Yeah, YouTube, what's up my people, what's up my friends, what's up my family, what's up family worldwide. Watch now. You're supposed to see part 1 of that video here already. See, you're supposed to watch part 1 already where you come stop Mommy Tia from wash and tell her say, I'm going to go bless her up with a machine. And when you do the video one out then I go woogo me that pre now wanna say. You know, I come and ask you what you don't want if you get something. I know say you don't want to say one washing machine come here out there and go boo 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 and never done me. So this machine now rinsing and I see what they happen. Some of the son of a prank you.
Left the clothes them on me I do and come by your prank. I can't bother the foolishness in a winning.
There's no video where we have extra, no video where I do for the people.
Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Let's start the machine, but we didn't want to choose what she want, but we don't want to buy it. You understand? So I just prank her right there, so. See? So this is the surprise now. She gonna braid her ear. So, I get the surprise. We just come off of the road, so I run go this morning early, and I sat the morning, yeah. I go sort out the machine and them thing there and get it delivered. You see me? And come back, so I go pick her up. I go pick her up when she done do her ear. I pick her up from the hairdresser. So I pick her up now, I go carry her in and give her the surprise. So them just drop off the machine. I now go really pull it out yet and make her see it. Because I now make her see it before her. Oh. But she still has to see it before because the video will go up. Alright, let me show you then. We have pull it out. We have pull it out. Because anyway take it, she has to see it before. So nothing wrong. Alright. We are unpack it, right? Because we buy. So we are on unpack it. In. Two of them she choose. One out of the two. She has to either the Whirlpool or the one. You understand? But when we go now, the brother tell me say the one would be a better one because I'm show me different features that this have what the Whirlpool one have. Like for instance, if water gone, she can, and we have water because we store water, so if water gone we have water, she can use the water and full it and then look away there. You understand? So when we check the level, I say, alright, I take that one now. I just hope she like it when it come, because more the Whirlpool one she does say still. But true the brother say the one is still kinda better because if water pressure low, you can manually full it. I mean I say where we live more time water pressure low, so I better you get the one where can work manually. The next one now we can full manually after full by how it connect, you understand? So we hold the one so open she come, she love it. So we're going to take it out and we'll put it, see spot where it will come here. So this are all one runner, so see all one here. See all one here, so this are all one where she have. You understand? So through this a Whirlpool, she love the Whirlpool them. So this are all one where she have, but this do it time now. When it rings it go and when it come out to close them, like them not spill water full in them soap stain and pan them and something, and she so we condemn it and she have to wash with her pan. Only see what going in a part 1, because I want to watch part 1 already. If you don't watch part 1, we will go back on the channel and go check out part 1 and I want to see how part 1 it work out. I stop her and she vex. You understand? And them little way this up. We are set up this now. Oh, you think I'm not assigned so we are set up this now in this. You understand? So, Rahim, you go pause the camera now. Not now. You pause the camera and then you go help me put it in there, so my fault. You help me put it in there, so you understand? So me you go put it in there, so I want to put it in there and then I lock the door. And then when she come now, I just carry her around here, so, and let's give her the surprises. I never going to blindfold her. I'm going to say, what is going on here, so babes? I make she come look. And then when she come look now, she just see her brand new machine. Because she check say a joke thing, you know, but I don't buy it the time when me and her go look on it. Because me just want to look for see which one she like, so I buy what she like. You understand? So, that's how the thing go. So you don't know? Don't go nowhere now, stay tuned and watch what I go on seeing. And you know that I'm not far from now. So I don't like you have no long wait to wait. You understand? Because see the next part, yes or no? We have to know we have moved off. Then we have the old ones for the old machine. We have come with everything new. So we're not taking nothing for this, you understand? Oh, and them was couldn't work neither because it's this runner, so it's a different settings we connect to this. So you have some strainer in it too. See, so which one of the hot one? And then the cool one. And people that are still love him always want to rob poor people in the car. Why not this now for install? For you screw on the hose them. Screw on the hose them. Them I tell you about you can if you want installment. What the fuck now doing installment? Yeah, you idiot. Here it power up. So I'm gonna try to set my car. Put it up more now. Yo man, highly. Alright. Lock the window here. Because you know when the car see the car this, so we drive down this and park, if the window here open, she come out of the car, she looks and say, what that? You know the washroom, so you have to do now, lock the window here. You get me? Yes. Yeah, the surprise, alright, so I'm come see it, my friend. So she have all her part now, she put her different softener, powder soap, liquid soap, and she just lock up her thing. And her thing work. So mommy both see her now, and this is her thing now. When time it full up, she can pull it out and take this and clean it out. The linen them like when it's stuck in the thing, eh? Yes man. And so me now fix it back the right way. Yes. So I mommy this. Mommy this. So here we are going on. Take my toilet. Wash. Wipe it to make it look shiny and clean. Set speed. Down there. Alright. So mommy I got okay, she look at that. She expects her now tomorrow now. She expects her tomorrow she have to go wake up now and wash the basket with her hand. But she get a surprise. So family will stay tuned soon and we're going to see how mommy react when we come and bust the door car. So I'm going to do it, huh? So I'm going to do it and then she come and then I'm going to pull this. So we're going in here so I make sure run come look what you are. We have to get rid of them things. So right, you are going to do? You're going to lock off the camera and help me make a clean up. What time now? Because someone for pick her 5 o'clock yet?
4:26.
4:26?
Yeah. Alright,
pull up that, make a clean up them because we can't make them in no way for nobody to say nothing come here. You understand? So we could get them here, clean up and get them in the rubbish pan out of sight. Because you don't know the voice. Out of sight, out of mind. So pause that now. Then we'll check over. One blurry man, so everything so Chris. I just throw this come up. I don't know mommy have to come for and computer you don't allow but the computer for wait to come up. You still can go and work with me and rush and make sure that everybody happy and everybody comfortable. You understand? So that is the way to go. When everybody happy and everybody comfortable, you find out say everybody happy and everybody comfortable. So sometimes you have to let something and do something else to make somebody happy and it still bring joy and happiness to you. Mommy Tia never happy for you washing a pan for too long, huh? So you don't know the vibe. See? So we're catching you when Mommy Tia come from work. That I know, right now. Yeah. Some people come pick up Auntie Tia here now. You see me? Come, I'm on outside, nice. Why not back them window there? One of the time I be nice, my people them can't hear me and say, they come pick up Auntie Tia, she get a new hairstyle. And I like Auntie Tia hairstyle. A young hot girl, something she go on with the people.
Yes.
My.
Tell me in the comments, how do I look? You like
Hot
it,
girl, something. So you don't know. Alright, so we are wait for the general too. You see me? So I pick up my man, I come and pick up the general. So I use one stone and kill 2 birds. And we are go home now. You see me? So we are there, go and wait for the general. So you don't know, no sir. In the meantime, we are wait for the general. You find the still make nice, but we there go and wait for the general like normal. Wind down the window because the AC now can't work. So we are set and
too much nice.
yeah man, the general soon come man. See? God, they might come out now. Yeah man, this is the vlog, you know. You don't know the vibes already. This is the vlog, just a normal vlog. So just there, just a go easy back. You see me? Nothing much. And I really like, I'm sure if it a go, but sometimes when I drive by, I come pick up your hairstyle and just like do a little part there. So we can put some clip together like, and you see me? Same way. So you do it, so I do it so. You see me?
Okay. Alright guys, so remember to like up the video.
Oh, but we are wash tomorrow.
Yes, my dear. So, I'm gonna get to do it today. I'm gonna do my ears. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
So you cook and wash tomorrow.
Alright, that's just family.
So you don't borrow mama machine?
No, I use nobody machine, yes.
So you have to wash with your hand?
Yeah, I'm coming
I help you when you wash and me rinse.
Yeah, foolishness with your Winnie. Me will do my thing.
No, see, you know I'm help you.
No, but yeah, me don't want, but me will do me wash. Me do what me do. Me wash, but in the kitchen you can. Me don't want to see.
I help you, and I bet say you're glad to me help you.
No, I just want to see me. Me not foolishness with you.
I see something me, but I still help you with the washing. I make the washing easier upon you too.
No foolishness with you, Winnie.
I'm not trouble you know, and chasing me. I just a normal vlog, but you just there on a reason like normal. Everything night now go up. So to me I tell them about the thing, you see me put up the camera and just on a video like say, you think say, I trouble me, I trouble you. Man I done prank you already, I not do that again. You done prank you already and you vex with me for one whole day and night. I don't like when you vex with me in the night. You can vex with me in the day, but
yeah, in the night, you can't run through them ways the babes.
Because in the day,
don't wash in the night.
Because in the day, it's another dollar. In the night, it's another client. You understand? So you must vex in the night. You can vex in the day, but don't vex in the night. Because in the day, it's another dollar. But in the night, it's another client. You understand?
In the night, it's another client?
Yeah, so you can't vex at night because you mash up the client.
Oh. You have to turn a different person at night.
Yeah, you're not vexing at night. You understand? Because we now have no client. When you're vexing at night. You understand? And I try to say if you can read between the lines.
It's alright.
If you read your mind, then you know you're going. Yo, you hear me? I look at this, you know, because you know. Right, look like him now come out for now, you know. So, family, I catch you when I reach home, see? Because I tell mommy say I go help her out. So tomorrow, when she wash, I go video it and show her say I help her. I make she wash, I'm a rinse. I make washing easy for her. And even if she want to go home and want, because she can't do it in the night now too. If she go home and want to do it in the night, I dead it for her, same way. Because I'm just try for always, I try for dead it for her. See, but sometimes she move like me not try for dead if you are. She move run a little joke with her. So you want to start wash tonight? You want to wash tonight?
No, I'm tired. I can't do no washing tonight. Leave me alone. Just want to go home and get something to eat, you know. I
bet some food saying you wash tonight.
But no one do no washing
when you see the help, when you see me put out the strength, I mean, so we know them out. So talk loud, me people them say, yeah, I'll share ball for the man. Lord, and I help him and help her wash. No, me I say like certain things you could have wash it out tonight and then by you wash them out, me now just rinse them. Alright, when you reach down, me and you negotiate it and I bet say you want to start tonight. Because when you have the energy there, you have to use it.
gonna get sit down.
Alright, do you think the way you do it? Because right now my general come out so I can go home now. Because I feel like I just eat some tin mackerel. Some cook up some tin mackerel with whole pot onion and tomato with some fried humps. That I feel like I beat today. And I have chocolate there, I have cinnamon leaf, but I have nutmeg, I have vanilla.
Why say you gonna start this?
I could have cook up some tin mackerel like with whole pot onion and tomato and scotch bonnet pepper and some fried dumpling. Yeah, today I sat there and we eat every yesterday we have Friday. And normally we eat light on Friday and we eat heavy yesterday, so we can eat light today, we just eat some fried dumpling and I have chocolate.
Food.
Yeah, I have chocolate there, I have cinnamon leaf, I have vanilla, I have sugar, I have lasco. I have a tin milk but I have lasco and sugar. You understand? Because we work with the cheaper milk, lasco. You understand? Yeah, lasco. Big up yourself, vanilla. You're a lasco. Big up yourself, you're a lasco. Because enough youth know the thing, get a youth, and that a baby feeding in a get in a lasco. People not to use the lactogen and the alacta 1 plus and them something there. A straight vanilla lasco or the creamy malt. We are talking about you use it make baby feeding porridge, tea, anything, you powdered lasco there. Yeah, man, especially the vanilla. Lasco, you need to link me up. You need to link me up. Because it's like, yo, me a go need still now. But you need to link me up. So anybody where watch this and have no link with Lasco, tell them say them need to see this and them need to link me up. Because me not talk no more about Lasco until them link me up. Yo, me not talk when you reach home. Yeah, because this thing I get out of hand and Lasco need to link me up. You understand? When we reach down, me want to link up. See? So remember, if none of you watch this, we have no link with Lasco, the management or the marketing department of Lasco. Tell them need to link me up with the Lasco thing. And I could do some Lasco tin mackerel barbecue and them things. See? So soon when we reach down. See? Alright. Alright? Alright. Now the fried dumpling. You know the notion tonight. Let's take a fried dumpling. See it here now. People them see it here now. Not the real texture. See it down people. Some of them take your ear look, you know. No, so I'll look about something light to some fried dumpling. Some tin mackerel.
Yeah, cause tired them.
And some drinks, you know, and not more than that. I'm gonna tell you things, so you know I've wash.
Let me tell someone.
May I help you? Alright, stay then. Alright. Alright, stay. Because I'm going to tell her I'm going to help her wash. And she don't want to help her. And see it there? The night out are good. The night out are good way to the workout. Good, you understand? If it works. But you don't know she don't want to hear. She get help and she don't want it. You don't know. What is going on there, sir? There. So who put this in there, sir? Who put that in there, sir?
Name machine.
But you know, say me there test it out with go left it and it there spin and a workout backside. Something want happen to it. Me there test it out, it full of hours and run out and something. I look at him come run and say before you can hear something and say I go run, come here, come lock it out. This is your already well connect up and everything already. Pipe connect up, your drain hose, everything well sort out. And you can look in there. You understand? And then when you come in and oops. Oh, you look on it already up there. Yeah. Oh, it not stay up. It not normally stay up. Yeah, man. Move. Put it up back next to something.
Out of go all the way back.
Ah. Other bag there in the way.
Move then. It go
Oh,
pressure it, you understand? No babes. I love it. I love it. But I never that one
no,
here,
but when
is it the other one here or the other one, don't it?
yeah, but
With
when
it
I go
like
up there,
it.
yeah, when I go up there now, you must say I see him 18 kg.
Mhm.
But when I say no about that one, I must say if like say water for gone, he must say the next one it now have no hot and cold. Well, we not really use no hot because we not hot water. See? But he must say like next, he must say the next one, the whirlpool one. If like say the water pressure
Oh,
low.
the one here, the Frigidaire one.
Yeah, if the water pressure low, then you can like say we would have a drum of water out there, so you could have just manually full it. But you must say this one can once it fully
one
reach it works. So like say suppose water for gone or the pressure low. But you have your drum of water, it can manually full. So I say I better take that one because sometimes the water pressure low.
Yeah, especially
And you have the drum of water out there so you can use it full. So you can wash tonight, you know, test it out tonight.
Test it out tonight, babes?
Yeah, they remember saying I do nothing. No, you then you for test it out, remember saying I do nothing.
Help me, you can do it.
No, then this is the help. Now help me done help you already now. See there? You put your liquid in here, so you put your soap in here, so you put your softener in here, so. So you use liquid now, you can put some liquid in here, so. Put some liquid in here, so. And look where you have light, where you can wash and test it out in the night.
Okay, but you say that when I go buy it.
No, that's why I'm carrying coming down. You look to see which one you like, you understand?
I love it.
Nice. So, you that. Hug it up.
Thank you, God. Can't finally stop washing my
So,
hands.
machine I get hug on me if you got hug.
Thank you, babes.
And Romeo help me out. And Romeo forget hug and kiss to cause him help me out. Because I never have the whole of the money, you understand? But I have my big son, so them can't chat to me because I have my big son. You understand? We can give that 30 grand. You see? So Romeo forget hug and kiss. You know, give Romeo hug and kiss too.
Oh, Romeo.
Romeo involved in it, you know, so if you give Romeo hug and kiss. Give Romeo hug and kiss, man.
Thank you for the machine. Thank you. Thank you.
Watch him fierce. What's the last one over here, so? Make people them see your face. See the last one, yeah? Pay trouble him give blow out people. See him there? Him. Anytime when you see him, when you beat him up for me, yeah? Because he give me too much trouble. So when you don't know the vibes, you know, hope you enjoy this video. I want to know the vibes already. Just make sure so you always thumbs up the video. Give the video where it deserves. You understand? Because you don't know a pure niceness. Seeing love, manners, and respect to you all for watching. Seeing? You don't know to my German friend and my family. All is clear as usual. One love. Wake up and live. Seeing? Rastafari.
There's no machine here. Look at this in the part here. The security system. Your washing machine has an automatic safety lock on the lid that prevents accident. This lock only operates during the spin. That means when me ready to wash, the lid can't open the same way. So the only
No.
yeah, me ready to wash.
No, meanwhile it wash. When you open the lid, it go stop wash. When you open the lid, it go stop wash.
Stop wash?
Yeah, but when it a spin now, then the automatic lock come on where you can't open none at all. But if it a wash, woogu woogu and you open it, we add more soap or something, then it a go through and stop. It now go let out. And it now go, you understand? So you don't know the vibe. So I hit that my people. So Mommy Tia happy. See?
Yeah.
And I hope you guys happy for Mommy Tia. Hope you guys happy for us.
Thank you, guys.
You see me, it's how the thing and grow tremendously. See, and you know, say it could not grow so tremendously if it wasn't for you guys. So you guys are the double family, and you guys are worldwide. See? And we say one love always. Freelance style. Give them a freelance. Come. Alice Clark. Alice Clark. Rastafari. Wake up and live.
One love.
Don't make nothing be no problem. You hear my people? One love.
One love. Wake
Yeah,
up
man.
and live.
For real.
Have a blessed day, guys.
Yeah, see that? Fried dumpling with something mackerel. Same like how I say it, and same so I do it. So everything go as card in today. You understand? So I surprise mommy with our machine. And we come and look about feel for the fried dumpling and tin mackerel. And it will look out. You understand? Me have a little wine as a drink still. Little wine, but you don't know the vibes. See it?